here's how to use Instagram Threads app. So Instagram just launched the Thread app. Thread is an app from Instagram where you can post threads, reply to others, and follow profiles you are interested in. Threads and replies can include short pieces of text, links, photos, videos, or any combination of them. People can reply to your post and add to the discussion, or like, share, quote, or repost your content. Anyone who has an Instagram account can create a Threads profile. And note one thing, you can create one profile on Threads for each Instagram account you have. Now let's see how you can install and use Threads. To install, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram Threads, and you will get the Thread app here, and from here just install it and now open it. As I said before, you can create one profile on Threads for each Instagram account you have. You will get your Instagram account here, and to switch your Instagram account, tap on switch accounts at the bottom. Now select your Instagram account, and here you can customize your Thread profile. You can skip this option from here. Now select your Thread profile privacy, and note one thing, your privacy on Threads and Instagram can be different. And here you can see how Thread works. Then tap on join Threads, and that's it. Your Thread profile is created now, and here is your feed. And to search for a specific profile, tap on this search icon at the bottom. Now type the account or profile you want to search, and from here you can follow the account or profile. And to view your Thread profile, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right, and you will jump into your Thread profile. And from here you can edit your profile. You can share your profile from here. You will get your shared threads here, and you will get your replies here. And to post a thread, tap on this post icon at the bottom. Now start writing your thread. You can attach something by tapping on this paperclip icon. Tap on post. Once your thread posted, you will get it in your profile page and in this Thread tab. And to go to your profile settings, tap on this menu icon at the top right corner, and you will jump into your profile setting page. And to see your Thread profile notifications, tap on this notification icon at the bottom, and here you will get your all notification. So this is super easy to use the Thread app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.